Hello, welcome to Blade Motorcycles. Got a bike to introduce to you. So we've got this bike we're taking in part exchange. So it's a Suzuki GSXR 1000. So it's absolutely stunning looking bike, as you can see. It's like a lovely colours. This is a MotoGP special edition bike. So got the Brembo front brakes. As you can see, got the luminous wheel rim tape, luminous graphics down the side. Got some different carbon effects on there as well. Looking at the the tank and the fuel cap, etc. Bike's got just 9,112 miles with a full service history. Because it's the MotoGP special, it came with this Yoshimura exhaust can from the factory. So really nice sounding bike. I'm sure you know Yoshimura is a highly regarded exhausts. It's really clean. No obvious, no damage on the bike whatsoever. Very well looked after. We offer a full preparation on this bike, so go through, get checked over fully by our trained technicians, and we supply a 3-month warranty. That's all included in the price. We can offer extended warranty and roadside assistance packages should we need to. Or should you be interested, finance is available on the bike, and part exchanges will be welcome. So please contact us here at 01235 550 055. You don't want to miss out on this one if you're looking for a GSXR. Really nice bike. Thanks.